So you're having and all three are in alignment. Your eye, the flashlight, and the gun are all in alignment. It's easy to hold here. It doesn't give you a whole lot of recoil management, but it's better than one-handed. So you have a little bit. The thing about Harry's is you don't want to have the flashlight up first and the gun up second. Because what did I just do?
Covered your eye.
Yeah. I just lasered my own hand. So what you want to do is you always want to have the gun up and then the flashlight underneath. And it's just something you got to practice because I've seen this.